guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Cylon from Battlestar Galactica-Razor. He looks really cool. Well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this unboxing, if you like Battlestar Galactica, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And his links will be down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Okay, guys. So before we unbox the figure, I wanted to show you the front and back of the box. This is from Battlestar Galactica-Razor. It was like a special couple of episodes, right, honey?
Yeah.
It was really cool. I really liked all of that, all of those episodes of Battlestar Galactica, and then Caprica.
Yeah.
It was epic.
This, by the way, is a remake of the original Battlestar Galactica from the 70s and 80s. This is the remake that was made in the 2006, I don't remember, but around there.
Yeah.
Excellent. And this is like a reversion of the classic Cylon Centurion.
Yeah.
Beautifully made.
And it comes with like a gun and the gun is here.
Yeah.
And some other accessories, which is pretty cool. And this is from, can you see there?
ToyRocket
ToyRocket.
is the maker, Cylon Warrior is the model.
And well, let's flip it to the back. Oops. Flip it to the back. And here it gives like a little description of the series there.
Yeah, about the Cylons, the models, the plan.
Yeah.
Very cool. These are the modern Cylons, by the way, but we are going to open this one. And well,
The more classic looking ones.
yeah, here you can see some of the characters also that have figures on this collection. William Hasker Adama when he was young.
And do you want to tell them a bit about the episode, honey?
Okay, this is a special couple of episodes where they tell you how William Adama, who will later be the captain or commander, I don't remember, of the Battlestar Galactica, on the first Cylon War, on the last day of the first Cylon War, he discovers the experiments that the Cylons were doing.
Yeah.
And the first hybrid, the first human Cylon hybrid, and he discovers that they can now take also a human shape, etc. And well, here we have other characters of those two episodes, and here we can see the Cylon that we are going to open. That's really cool.
And guys, if you haven't seen this series, we both obviously highly recommend it. It's great. It's pure genius. I don't know. For me, it was really awesome in the moment.
Yeah.
And it's cool to finally have this.
Yeah.
And well, guys, with that being said, now it's time to open up our new figure.
That, by the way, we got years ago, and it's one of those things that we never unboxed. We didn't thought we were going to have a channel to do it later. But well,
Yeah.
So now we are going to do it.
Yay. So let's go.
Ta-da!
Okay guys, so before we check out our brand new Cylon, we're gonna check out this little pamphlet that came with it. Battlestar Galactica from Diamond Select Toys. Sci-fi there in the corner. Let's open this up. Here it shows you some of the exclusive Cylon figures. Oh, and how crazy, there was a special one for Toys R Us. Shame, that disappeared, that went bankrupt. Any of you guys remember Toys R Us? For me as a kid, it was like paradise. It's a shame that it disappeared. Here's some of the other figures. Let's open this up. Oh, cool. They have some of the ships too. Pretty cool. I like it, the Cylon Raiders in the series. And here you have this little nail off piece to let them know what you think of the product. Let's turn this around. Here it shows you the Mini-Mates collections they have. Up at the top there, you can see the Mini-Mates collection from the original series, and then you have from series 5 and 6. And well guys, that's the end of that. And now it's time for a look at our brand new Cylon figure. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And well guys, here he is, the main event. Our brand new Cylon Warrior. Looks pretty cool. What do you think, hon?
It's amazing.
He's very he has a lot of articulations in his hand, his arm, his legs, feet. You can see his feet down there. I'm just going to turn him around so you can see the back there.
With all the cables and pipes.
Yeah, for me it looks a bit of a mixture between like a samurai warrior, because you know, like the classic samurai warrior like leather stuff, it kind of looks like the back flaps here. He looks really cool. But also he kind of reminds me a bit to the Cybermen from Doctor Who too, at the same time.
A bit more complex than them, but yeah.
Yeah, but I mean similar. Like the older ones is what I mean more. to the front. Back to the front there. And well guys, tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. We like him a lot. You like him too, honey?
Yeah, and I love also the paint work, the paint job, I don't know how you say.
Yeah.
How it's painted.
Looks really cool.
It looks very realistic.
But what I remember, it looks just like the one from the series.
Yeah.
Well guys, you tell us. Do you like him as much as we like him? If so, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.